Hi, I'm Tony O'Brien, AV reviewer for StereoNet, ISF certified calibrator and member of the Professional Video Alliance. And we're here today to do a quick unboxing of Denon's AVC-A110, which is their 110th anniversary flagship AVR. Let's hop in, shall we? So we're just going to pause the video here for a moment. As you can see, the A110 is double boxed, made exclusively at Denon factory, Shirokara, Japan. Thank you, Jason. As you can see, this is something quite special. Before we take the cover off this, which by the way has got the 110th anniversary logo, I just wanted to show you some of the goodies we've got. We'll come back to these. Obviously, we've got the usual candidates, so the Odyssey calibration mic, the remote, LCD display, and this one should be typical with all Denon remotes, as you hit a button and they're backlit. Power cord, but this is what got me really excited. Denon's 110th anniversary, so each one of these is limited edition. Each is numbered and each has a, yes it is, a certificate of authenticity that comes with it. And what we've got in here is some postcards, I think. Yeah, which is very cool. I know my mum will enjoy getting a Denon postcard. So let's take the cover off this one, shall we? Okay, have a look at this guy. So Denon's taken a radical departure. Normally Denon favours typical black brushed aluminium. This one's a silver graphite, and you can see the stylings on here. So we've got the Denon logo here, 110th anniversary, and I don't know if you can see, but these volume and input knobs are all solid aluminium, so they're not caps like you'd typically find. We've got the pull down flap here at the front. All your controls are situated there. Move around the back of the machine, which is very heavy, I might add. So there we go. As you can see, everything's extremely well made. Very solid binding posts. So we've got 13 amplifiers on board. From memory, Denon's rating, these are rated somewhere around the 100 watt mark with all channels driven, but I'll double check that when we come time for a review. The other thing I wanted to point out too, if I'm right, yes, if you look at the feet there, they're actually cast iron for extra rigidity. Now, as I said before, this one's quite exciting because the head of engineering at Denon in Japan's been given free rein to basically take the X8500, Denon's already great AVR that we reviewed some time back, and take it to the next level for the 110th anniversary edition. So from memory, there's something like 430 parts in here that have been swapped out or replaced over the Denon X8500. And as you'd expect in true Denon fashion, The A110 will decode pretty much anything you can throw at it. Dolby Atmos, DTS:X Pro, and IMAX Enhanced as well. And as I said earlier, you've got 13 on-board channels of amplification, but the A110, like the X8500, will actually decode up to 15.2 with its dual subwoofer inputs. Well, thank you for watching today. I'm looking forward to getting this guy in the rack, as I said earlier, and doing a full review and seeing what it sounds like. Thanks once again. I'm Tony O'Brien from StereoNet.